Hi everyone, welcome back to FixAge. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the camera not working issue in Windows 10 or 11 laptop. This issue usually happens after Windows updates, driver problems, or privacy settings blocking the camera. So without further delay, let's start. First, we can check by camera privacy settings. For that, open the settings. Go to Start, click on Settings. In the settings, on the left side, click on the Privacy and Security. In the Privacy and Security, search for Camera. Here it is. Click on that and make sure this camera access is on, and also let apps access your camera option is on. If these are disabled, your camera will not work in apps like Zoom, Teams, or camera app also will not work. So make sure these two options will be enabled. So after doing this, close this window. The next one is we need to check the updating or reinstalling the camera driver. For that, we need to open the device manager. So for that, right click on this start menu and select the device manager in the list. Click on that. In the device manager window, look for camera. Here it is. Expand it. It will show the camera devices. Right click on your camera and click on the option update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers. So it says the best driver for your device already installed. So close this window and click on the next device. Right click, update driver. Click on search automatically. Same, the best drivers are already installed. So after updating, check is your camera is working or not. If updating doesn't work, we need to uninstall the driver. Same for uninstallation also, select the device, right click, and there is an option uninstall device. Just click on that, click on uninstall, so that it will uninstall the camera devices. After that, close and restart the laptop. So once we restart the laptop, Windows will reinstall the camera drivers automatically. After that, you can check the camera. Is it still working or not? Then test the camera in camera app. For that, go to search for camera. There is a camera app. Click on that. See, you are able to see your image. If camera works here, apps like Zoom and Google Meet should also detect it. If not, maybe need to change the settings in the Zoom or Teams and other apps which you are unable to access the camera. And finally, if the issue still persists, we need to do the troubleshooting and restarting the camera. For that, go to Start and Settings, and the right, select the system. Right side, look for Troubleshoot and click on this. Under other troubleshooters, there is an option Camera. Click on Run. Wait for the troubleshooter to do the troubleshooting. It will troubleshoot and give you the solutions, or it will fix the issues. After that, close the troubleshooter and restart the laptop. Your camera should now be working in Windows 10 or 11. And that's it. If this guide helped, please like, share and subscribe to FixAge. Thank you for watching.